Hey team, Leo here. I am recording a quick video for just getting an installation of Webroot onto a machine. We do this for Visionary Horizons, but we could also do this, if we subscribe to Webroot, we could do it for a lot of other members. We could also, this might be something that some other member is also using. So this is good information to have. SimpleSafe, this is for Visionary Horizons. SimpleSafe has the credentials in it for Visionary Horizons. Has the link for Webroot. There's even a manual on our Google Drive that explains how to do this, but it needs to be updated because it's not very clear. So I'm going to log into Webroot using the members credentials. And once we get in here, so it says enter the, it's got a passcode function that it uses, and it's you just enter the third and fifth characters of the security code that is defined. So I entered in the two characters that are there. 18 endpoints protected, one endpoint needs attention. You can see this from the dashboard. So if you're wanting to go get, you can see the keys here. You can go to the downloads right here. So I just did the little pull down, downloads, and then I can grab the Windows version or the Mac version here. I downloaded the Mac version before. We can download the Windows version, and all it does is grabs the little exe file that you run, and then whenever it asks you for the information, it'll ask you for these codes. So we need to jump over here to these codes. I'm not going to do that on the video because it'll display the codes to other people that could use them if they're watching this video. So you'd go over here, click on this manage key codes, and go grab those codes. And again, here's downloads to grab the two installation packets, either one of these that you need, Mac or Windows. And that worked for me installing it on a Mac. I haven't tried to install it on a Windows machine yet, but I could go ahead and try that also.